everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Jewelry unboxing. So last month was my first month receiving the Jewelry subscription box, and I'm gonna go ahead and do another unboxing because I really enjoyed my box from last month. I've been wearing the pieces so much. I had to see what is inside this bag as well. So Jewlybox has been voted #1 in the Jewelry subscription box, and it is $19.99 a month, and you get 3 pieces, and every Jewlybox is gonna come with a set of earrings. So you can also opt to just get earrings every single month, and that is just $9.99 a month. So someone who is a fanatic over earrings, then $9.99 a month for a new pair of earrings is a great deal. That's definitely comparable to the Target prices for sure. So I actually have a code for you guys so you can take 10% off of your first box. So I'll have that code linked below for you guys, as well as the website if you want to check them out. So you can choose between silver, and you can also choose between gold. So I always go for gold because I have a warm skin tone, so gold just looks the best against my skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it. So there is a little card that breaks down all of the different prices and everything. So this is great. So you're gonna see what the value is of everything. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is a necklace. It's actually something I've been wearing for the past few days now, and this is the Brittany necklace, and this is such a great piece because it has a white stone in the middle, so it literally can go with everything. And then the chain is gold. So it says the Brittany necklace will be a staple in your summer jewelry wardrobe all season. We guarantee it. It's the perfect piece to layer with other Jewlybox pieces and wear day to day and then into night. Simple and elegant. So this is a retail value of $24. So this does come with gold and silver, and there is white and gray stones that intermix this month. So if you do the silver option, then you're going to get a gray stone. So that's going to be really beautiful having a gray stone. So I absolutely love that. So that is the first thing. And then the next thing is the Monica cuff. So this would be a great thing to go ahead and stack with like watches or just wear it on its own. So first, I love that you can get it on yourself. So it is just a cuff bracelet, and the Monica cuff is a great piece to layer with other pieces for the summer. We love how adjustable it is and the ability to be worn with a watch and create an ultimate stacked look. It's sturdy, simplistic, great transition piece. So this is retailed at $29. So already, well, first of all, the necklace already paid for the box basically. So you get all the other 2 pieces for free essentially when you factor in the cost of the necklace. Definitely a very like simple jewelry girl. So this is going to be perfect for me. So the next thing in the box is the Corinne earrings. Teardrop stud earrings. So it says, did someone say bling? We thought so. We're all about elegant and simplistic styles, but these studded earrings create such a sparkle with any outfit this summer, and I absolutely could agree with that. And these earrings are retailed for $18. All right, so these earrings retail for $18. So everything in the Jewlybox comes to $71 retail, but you're only paying $19.99. So you get almost $50 worth of jewelry for free, essentially. So this is such a great little box. So all of these pieces are definitely going to work really well in my jewelry collection. I'm a very minimalist when it comes to jewelry, so I don't like things with a lot of like flashy, and I just don't like that. So these pieces are very simple in its own, and even the little like teardrop earrings, there's just like a little bit of sparkle, but nothing too overwhelming. So this is just the perfect box for me. And again, this also comes in silver as well. So if you guys are new to Jewlybox and you haven't tried it, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link below. There's also going to be a promo code for you guys to take 10% off. So definitely go and check out Jewlybox. Thank you so much, Jewlybox, for sending me these little pieces, and definitely a great box, great value. So definitely go and check them out, and I will talk to you guys all later. Comment below what your favorite piece of jewelry was, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.